Hey guys, what's up? This is Mercedes, also known as that Mom here on the internet, and today I am attempting to do a little vlog for you guys. Sorry about the state of the house. It is, yeah, I've been working all week. So, really quickly though, I wanted to show you guys what we just did. We went and got, well, on Wednesday, we went and got a $10 food box from our co-op. And today we went to a different food box distribution place, and I just kind of wanted to show you a couple of things that we got. So a couple of things that I'm going to be attempting to throw into videos and to just try to see and do. So I'm going to flip the camera around and I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so these two bags came from these two food boxes. My daughter's watching Bluey in the background, guys. So new episodes, all the kids are watching, right? Comment below if your kids are watching the new episodes of Bluey. So anyway, these two came out of the food box, a ton of chips and everything, and yeah, not as great, but hey, they are still food. Yes, nutrition is not the greatest with the chips, but you know what, they're food. They're fine. We got, that ton of beets. Look at this giant thing of beets. So we're gonna attempt to pickle and stuff. I just smacked you in the face, honey. So yeah, so we got a ton of these beets. I have to figure out how to pickle them. Nobody is really a fan of beets. I mean, we've all had pickled beets and everything, but nobody's really a fan of beets, so I have to try to figure out what to do with the beets so that we can eat them and they won't go to waste, or just take them to work and share them with coworkers. Under here is a giant thing of bananas. What's that? What is, no, not the chips. What's this? What's this box right here? That box, yeah, what is that?
That's banana.
Bananas, yep, a giant box. Much to the joy of my 2-year-old here. We got this one from our co-op, so yeah, I'm gonna give her something real quick. She's trying to get it all out. Okay, she grabbed a thing of chips. You know what, it win some, lose some, right? This is a giant thing of cold brew coffee, and so we're going to try this out. It's been expired, but it's been stored properly, so we're going to see how it tastes, and if it doesn't taste good, then we're tossing it. Sorry about the state of the floor. We got, yeah. We got 2 things of Pepsi in our thing with our food box thing today, so that's great. I don't think any of us drink Pepsi, so I have no clue what we're gonna do with that. This came from our co-op. We got a whole package of this, which was like 10 or 12, I think, in the package. So the rest of them are up over here in that container. Yes, I know. But yeah, so here are these wonderful things. My daughter has already eaten some, and I had to tell her to, you know, go slowly and have water in between, because she tends to throw things in her mouth, and I've heard many tales of kids choking on these, but she's 2, so, you know, I think that's a little bit better. So, you know, she still has a little bit of an issue with them because she likes tossing things in her mouth. This is some of the bananas from the box. Those were out. These came in, we got 2 of these packaged in our food box. And then over here, all these red onions came from the food box, so that is great. I got that jicama at the store the other day. We're gonna attempt jicama and that lemon and some tahan, so yeah, we're gonna try that. Giant watermelon that came in the food box today. Really big, really cold. I think they kept it in the freezer, so we're gonna go ahead and attempt that. Oh, these Tostitos walking taco bags. These came from our co-op, so we got about 1 million of those. So we're gonna do walking tacos one night, or you know, some sort of walking taco one night. Maybe I can do something with the beets to do like a slaw for the beets for the walking tacos. Into the refrigerator. This whole drawer came from the food box. Apples came out of the food box. The zucchinis came out of the food box. The mangoes came from our co-op. Avocados, I did buy those at the store with Wick the other day. This celery right here. This came out of a food box, and I have to see the bottoms. I have to trim them up and throw some into water. And then down here, this big thing of lettuce is no good now, but it came in a food box and it was already on its leg. There's nothing else really in here, I don't think. Oh, these eggs. brown eggs came from the food box, so that was great. And whoop, 5 things of garlic, and look at, there's a ton of them sprouting. I'm gonna plant some garlic, guys. Yeah, so that is, I can't find anything else that I think was in the food box that we got, or the our co-op the other day, and I think that's all that we got out of the boxes today. So I mean, that's great, because like literally my entire check is gone. It's gone before it even hits my account. I'm gonna try to attempt to buy some concert tickets for me and my daughter to go see AFI in October. So that I hope we have been able to budget in this month. So we're gonna attempt this. I started back with classes this month for school. Oh, my Tihan in the background. I did buy this too at the store to go with that jicama, so yeah, stay tuned for that. But anyway, yeah, I did start back on classes. I am going to SWIHA, Southwest Institute of Healing Arts, for their holistic health and nutrition, holistic integrative. Right now I can't think because I just woke up and we went to go get a food box. I'm still drinking all my coffee, so my brain's not all awake, and I have to finish a paper today. So I have to finish a paper on grit, on your individual grit and your resilience level and everything. So that's been quite fun. I've been having to read 2 books, The Upside of Stress and In Defense of Food. So those are my 2 first classes. One is psychology class and one is the holistic nutrition class. So I will, of course, let you guys know more about that when my brain's more awake and I can more easily let you guys know about any answers to questions or anything. I did put on my Instagram to please let me know any questions you guys have about this, because this is what we are trying to attempt to do, because my arthritis is just, oh my gosh, so bad. My entire leg was on fire the other day, guys. So my knee is pretty much unmovable now, and my entire right side was on fire just from my thigh down the other day, and it was not fun. So I know that I cannot do what I do now for very much longer. I'm gonna have to do like a desk job or something. So we're gonna try to do this for nutrition and holistic nutrition at that. So I will definitely let you guys know more and more about what, because I'm still learning the terms and everything, what I can and cannot call myself. But I will have a national certification, a national, certification, that's the word I was looking for in the beginning. So I am going to go ahead and start to try to make, any heads or tails out of this. And then I will try to come back and see you guys in a little bit. So yeah.
Hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. You know me, in true fashion, I did not make an outro for this video. Right now, with my technology and everything the way it's going, I have a lot of little bits and clips. So this was actually 2 videos that I actually kind of put together because neither of the videos were really finished. So I hope you guys enjoyed it for being the hodgepodge that it was. I'm working very hard on trying to get you guys some more videos. School's a little hectic right now, work's a little hectic, you know, mom life's a little hectic, but we're making it. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you all of my 55 subscribers. Hi! Thank you. And if there's a 56 by the time you're watching this, hi! Thank you guys so much for joining me. This journey is a long and slow process, but we are making it. So, did I say thank you already? I said thank you like 3 times already, didn't I? But thank you guys so much for being with me. Leave me a comment below if you liked the video, what you liked of the video, any questions you may have with the video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not, because a lot of my watchers are not subscribed. So I see you guys. I see you all there watching and enjoying the videos, but not subscribed. Don't worry. We got it. We got it. I don't know why I'm so green right now. Hold on. Okay, well, anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me, and we'll see you in the next one. I'm trying not to drop my stuff. Goodbye.